Hello, this is Malaika, and in today's video I am going to talk about fintech. So in this video we will discuss what is fintech, role of fintech in automation of businesses, fintech application and implementation in Pakistan, and lastly fintech challenges and their solutions. So let's begin. Okay, so first thing that I am going to discuss in this video is what is fintech. Fintech is a combination of terms. Financial and technology refers to businesses that use technology to enhance or automate financial services and processes. The term encompasses a rapidly growing industry that serves the interests of both consumers and businesses in multiple ways, from mobile banking and insurance to cryptocurrency and investment apps. Fintech has seemingly endless array of applications. Today, the fintech industry is huge, and if recent venture capital investments in fintech startup which reached an all-time high in 2021 can be considered a vote of confidence, the industry will continue to expand for years to come. Okay, second thing that I'm going to discuss in this video is role of fintech in automation of business. Fintech helps automating these five components of a business. First one is human resource management. Okay, human resource management used to be one of the least automated components, but now software like Workday and 15.5 are building platforms to assist workflow with the related system that support employee management. Finance company increasingly recognize that their people are the most valuable resource and need to be managed more thoughtfully as well as efficiently. Second component is mobile. Um, Finance companies now consider mobile oriented tech as part of the core workflow. The industry relies heavily on its ability to get work done efficiently. Fintech continues to utilize software which speeds up communication and productivity. Mobile used to be considered a security risk by financial industry. Now it's considered a way to enhance productivity as well as provide more flexible workflow for employees. Third component is customer support. um, More automation is taking over customer service. This support has advanced tremendously with certain software programs that include internal system to support customers. Software systems such as Freshdesk and Zendesk are cutting down on the heat count needed for customer service departments in some companies, but more importantly, these new systems are improving the customer experience and lives of people working in these departments. Fourth component is billing invoicing. Payment systems like Stripe, invoicing, and billing systems like FreshBooks and more advanced ERP system like NetSuite are example of programs that continue to reinvent their way. Fintech in is automating business function. Although many companies are still at least partially stuck in the past of creating manual invoices and payments, these automated systems are increasingly taking over both customer and the vendor when with greater automation in this area. Fifth and the last component which is automated by fintech is accounting. Sendo, Zoho, Quicken Online, and other systems are automating the accounting, bookkeeping, and tax filing. Okay, now let's talk about fintech applications and implementations in Pakistan. Um, in Pakistan, banking sector is first adopter of fintech and increasing um, its financial services rapidly. Effective utilization of fintech helps to save time, promote new products and services, and compete in international markets. Fintech comprises of internet banking, mobile banking, ATM, and many other banking facilities relevant to technology. Um, Traditional fintech works together with financial service providers um, in capacity of their technology provider by traditional pricing models, whereas emergent fintech refers to new category of fintech that partner with financial service provider. In Pakistan, industries are not aware of fintech, and according to report, 72% of organizations are not aware of fintech. In Pakistan, there are a number of challenges and barriers in development of fintech. Very few fintech companies are operating in Pakistan, and major portion of fintech investment is in banking sector. The introduction of e-banking has revolutionized the banking sector, and contribution of technology is now considered as the main reason for success of banking sector. There are many products of fintech that includes internet banking, telephone banking, mobile banking, and many more. Internet banking is the main route to enhance the financial transactions and maintain long-run relationship with clients. Due to advanced services of fintech, a strong relation is created between clients and banks. Um, it has provided multiple reliable and convenient ways of communication between banks and clients now. It is responsibility of head office to train their branch employees about innovative fintech products. Okay, now let's talk about fintech challenges and their solutions. First challenge is data security. Data security has become one of the major concerns in internet world, be it mobile banking, payment apps, fintech in general. As we know, traditional banking systems are confident with security guards, CCTVs, vaults, and heavy bulletproof doors to keep their data safe and secure. But when we talk about virtual security, things are not as easy as we think. Vulnerabilities are much more discreet and have potentially more impact on users, as not only their money is at stake but their personal data too. So its solution will include two-factor authorization, biometric authentication, data encryption and obfuscation, real-time alerts and notifications, and behavioral analysis. Second problem that fintech faces is big data and AI integration. Um, 82% of US bankers and 79% of bankers globally believe that AI will revolutionize the way banks fetch data and interact with customers. As we know, big data and AI have made their impact In every organization using big data, organization can collect personal information about users, social status to financial behavior, habits, and in-app activity. So, um, its solution will be for AI and big data to combine. Um, you will need to teach AI through machine learning. For this, you will need large amounts of data to train your system. Most banking apps are unable to process and fetch a large number of datasets, hence you can solve this problem with the utilization of one short learning model that allows you to train your machine learning system on smaller amounts of data. Okay, so third challenge that fintech is facing is blockchain integration. Yeah. You will find many fintech applications which are integrated with blockchain technology. Some of the companies don't find blockchain as a feasible solution, while others consider it as a solution for better data exchange. You can make a fintech industry more trustworthy by implementing a blockchain, as it allows you to analyze and track all the phases of transaction. However, integrating a blockchain is quite challenging task for many financial organizations. Until now, banks and other financial institutions have been slow to pick up on blockchain trend. On the other hand, fintech startups are more likely to disrupt the fintech sector. If we talk about its solution, then as we know, it's not easy to integrate blockchain technology. While implementing this, make sure you adhere to government guidelines and laws. Moreover, avoid any government restrictions concerning your mobile services, as they are still hesitant to allow massive blockchain adoption. Okay, so fourth challenge is user retention and user experience. For the fintech sector, user retention and user experience are one of the major concerns. However, a fintech app should manage a balance between user experiences and security. Um, the solution for this challenge will be develop to make sure that UI UX part is secure and user friendly while developing the app. Furthermore, users are ready to access an app with two-factor authentication, but asking the details again and again for login may frustrate them. You can also analyze your competitors and observe what they are using to offer a seamless user experience. Okay, so fifth challenge that fintech is facing nowadays is personalized services, which have been the primary and core factor of banking for a long time. However, in today's scenario, personalization means interacting with a user at the right time on their preferred channel with a proper solution to their exact needs. Besides, customers are open to accepting fintech as their financial wellness coach. Some users may feel a little overwhelmed with a wide spectrum of options, and effective personalization provides them only with narrowed options they are looking for. To overcome this challenge, fintech organizations should have precise customer insight. Moreover, fintech companies must understand the behavior of users and get insight into the user's health, interaction, and events. They can also achieve this goal by developing trust with customer. They also have to keep the user's data secure and safe. Okay, that was all from my side. Thank you so much for watching.